Creating an XP map in Fortnite involves designing a custom map to help players earn experience points quickly. This can be for fun or as a tool for players looking to level up in the game. Here's a concise guide. Plan your map. Decide on the theme and purpose of your XP map. Are you designing it for fun, challenges, or a specific XP grinding strategy? Use creative mode. Access Fortnite's creative mode, which allows you to build custom maps. Select create to start your project. Choose a landscape. Pick a prefabricated island or a blank canvas to build your map. Design challenges. Create XP granting challenges or activities within your map. These can include obstacle courses, puzzles, shooting ranges, or any engaging content. Add XP coins. Place XP coins around your map. Players can collect these for XP rewards. Set spawn points. Place spawn points strategically throughout the map to ensure players can access different parts easily. Test your map. Playtest your map to ensure the challenges work as intended and that players can earn XP. Publish your map. Once your map is ready, you can publish it for others to play. Go to the Publish tab in creative mode and follow the instructions. Share your code. You will receive a code for your map. Share this with friends or the Fortnite community so they can access and play your map. Collect feedback. Encourage players to provide feedback on your map and consider making improvements based on their suggestions.